In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your TikTok account. First things first, you obviously have to apply and be able to make money in the first place. So first thing first, log into your TikTok account and go to your profile like I've done here, and then tap on the three lines in the upper right-hand corner. You should see four different options. The one we want should say balance. Go ahead and tap on balance. Once you are here, you should see your balance here. You'll see TikTok coins, which is kind of like gifting, and then you'll see estimated balance there where it says view. Now, the first thing I want you to look at is under settings at the bottom of this page, you'll see payment method, identity verification, and tax information. All three of these things have to be done. So first things first, going to payment method. I'll walk you through that. Go ahead and tap on payment method. You should see what payment methods are available for your selected country or region. So for me, it's the United States, and that would be PayPal. So what I'd want to do is tap on PayPal here. It will then send a verification code to my linked email to my TikTok account. So go ahead and do that now. And go ahead and go through the process of adding your PayPal account. You'll just tap the button here, log into your account, and you're good to go. Once you've logged into your PayPal account or bank account or whatever payment method you're trying to link, you should go through the process of agreeing and connecting that payment method to TikTok. And as you can see, that is now my primary payment method. And if I wanted to, I could always come back here, go to add a new withdrawal method, and see if there are other ones that I can add as well. Once you're done, tap done, and you've done the first step. Next, you have identity verification. Tap on the identity verification here. As you can see, there are a number of ways you can verify your identity, whether it be an ID card, a driver's license, a passport. All of these things might be different depending on your country or region. So go ahead and do that, where you basically go here and verify your identity. Just follow the steps and you're good to go. And the last thing you'll have to do after identity verification is your tax information. So as you can see, you'll have to do payout methods. That's got a check by it, tax information, and identity verification. So tax information, if I hit the pencil icon here, basically letting them know, are you an individual or a business? Basically, you'll walk through here and fill out all of this pertinent information. As you can see, I went through and filled out my tax information, so now there is a check by that. And once you do all three of these, you then will be able to go back here to your balance, tap into balance here, and have a button here that says withdraw. So you can withdraw the payments from this page here, or you can tap on scheduled payouts just like this here and say, hey, at the end of the month on the 31st, I want to set that to be my payout date each and every month. So to recap, make sure that you've set up your payment method, gone through the identity verification process, and set up your tax information for your region or country, and you are good to go. Once you come back here to the balance page, you tap on estimated balance, and then you're good to go to just tap withdraw, and it will withdraw the money directly to your payment method of choice. Now, there will be a bunch of frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. Hopefully this helped. If it didn't, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.